What's good, people? I'm back again with another unboxing. I'm back again with another Air Max 95 unboxing. As everyone knows, and if you don't know already, this is my favorite Nike trainer, silhouette, whatever you want to call it. It's definitely my favorite Air Max. I have a bunch of different other Nikes that I like, Air Force Ones, etc. But this is my favorite Air Max by far. Before I show everyone the trainer, before I show everyone the sneaker, I want to just take a second to say please like, comment, share, subscribe. Help me grow the channel and help this video go around, help it spread, help people come and watch and get good information about trainers, sneakers, whatever you want to call them. So Air Max 95, this color way, if you actually have seen an older video of mine, I actually have this colorway, but I don't have this colorway in this material, this release. This is a 2021 release. I have a different release. Let's just get into it, man. So red box, we already know what that means. Nike Air Max 95, midnight navy white sail, UK 10 as always, US 11, centimeters 29, Euro 45, all that good stuff. Bam! Air Max 95. Look at those. So usually I'm against suede. I don't like suede. I'm happy there's no suede on the toe box. That's one thing I'm happy about. Otherwise these would have gone straight back to the shop. Suede, this I don't mind. I really like the colorway. I really like how it is. The grey, it looks good. It blends in with the trainer. So let's start from the bottom. It's a weird type of blue. I don't even know what they want to call that color. And then I believe this is the spine bit that they've based it off. These trainers, as everyone knows, is based off the human body anatomy. Look at me with the long big words. So weird blue at the bottom. It says Nike Air as always. It's decent. It's not too bad. I would have just gone for a navy, but they wanted to use this like violet type weird color. Then the sole, the midsole, I'd say this is white. This is kind of an off-white, kind of creamy, not a bright white. So I do like that more. It does give it a more retro look, and I'm going for the retro look, so the kind of aged look in Air Max 95s. So the air bubble is like a bluish color inside. Can't really even see it clearly. There's no point trying to look at that. So then it's got a navy blue bottom layer. Then it's got that weird bluish greyish mix type suede layer. Then it's another blue type leather layer again, but it's a different texture. It's a kind of textured leather. And then it's got a grey suede, embroidered night tick as always on the back, white mesh. So this is actually kind of a different mesh. So this is, it looks like a bit of a stronger mesh. This always needs to be crep protected. So it just, you know, it's just it doesn't really get dirty, etc. Because the white mesh gets dirty in 3 seconds flat. The toe cap type bit and the front of the toe is that navy blue. Whoops, laptop, be quiet, man. Pretend that never happened. And then it's got the same on the other side, so the grey, the blue, so suede leather, and the midsole. One thing that I'm kind of confused by, if anyone doesn't know why, they just used plain rope laces instead of the 3M type laces. Maybe they just wanted to. I'm not against it, I'm not for it. I just do like 3M, you know, is a bit different, but this is all 3M, so on the tongue that's 3M. It's kind of already showing off there with my lighting setup. These tabs are also 3M on there, so maybe the laces could have been a bit too much 3M, I'm not sure. Classic Air Max logo in the blue and grey colorway, Air Max. And then inside it's got a nice navy blue insole that says Air Max. Then of course the sizing label, UK 10 barcode, all of that good stuff. So I really do like these. I don't know why I decided to kind of buy these. They are similar to the other pair I have, but I don't know. The colorway quite similar, kind of different. I do know that they have the bright white sole, so that can be quite that's just a bit of a difference. I really do just like Air Max 95, so maybe I just need an excuse just to buy Air Max 95s. Of course, as always, I needed content, and Air Max 95s is, you know, just what I love. It's my favorite trainer. Let me not drop them or throw them around. So I really do like these. I don't like paying full price for them, so if you are interested in buying them, then just wait for a sale, get them on an offer, because people are not too keen on Air Max 95s at the moment, so they never sell out except for like really hyped pairs, etc., which, you know, everyone knows how I feel about resellers. That's a whole nother discussion. But these definitely did not sell out. They haven't sold out, so you can just literally type in Google Air Max 95 navy blue, Air Max 95 navy, Air Max 95 navy and white, or even blue, and they should most likely come up. You'll be able to get a pair for under retail, hopefully. Use student discounts, etc. Just wait for the discounts to come. I'm going to keep these personally for the summertime. Just spray them with some crop protect or whatever, and just wear these with, like, you know, some blue shorts or white t-shirt, you know, casual summer vibes, as always. And yeah, as always, I love the trainer, Air Max 95. I just wanted to give everyone, you know, a closer look at what they are actually look like. Way better in hand, I'd say. They are quite similar, but in hand, you know, you just have a better look at them. You get to see the different materials. I'm not a suede person, but, you know, this time, or I'm letting suede slide, so it's not growing on me, but it's not growing on me. You know, suede is something that's always present on an Air Max 95, so it's kind of a thing, but you have to let it happen. I do go into what would I do mode a lot with trainers, so I'd just say this kind of color, I would have changed it. I do understand that they wanted to make it different to the previous one, so this could be just like lazy designing, to be honest. So the other pair is just like basically the same colorway, but just leather. Maybe this time they just wanted to use suede instead, and, you know, just put a bit of different colorway. It is kind of lazy, but I like it. It does work. The other pair is more bright white, like a lot of it has a lot of bright white. These are more kind of, you know, a bit relaxed, a bit more of a vintage look. But that's enough of me waffling about these trainers. If you like them, you like them. If you don't, you don't. But please make sure you like the video, you comment, you share, you subscribe. You help the channel grow, people, because I'm not getting paid for this. But yeah, thank you very much for watching the video, especially if you've got this far. It means a lot to me. And yeah, take care, people.